Here's how to fix Bluetooth on Android. Now let's swipe up from here and get into your settings here. If you're having issues with your Bluetooth, let's first tap on connections, and we'll first just toggle the Bluetooth off, wait for a few seconds, and then toggle it back on. The next thing I would recommend doing is tapping on Bluetooth here, and if you have devices that you already have on here, you can always remove those devices and tap on the three dots at the top right here and tap on advanced settings. And on here, basically you can wipe out the Bluetooth control history and etc. Now, the next thing I would recommend doing after you've done that in the Bluetooth is going all the way back to the beginning, and we'll scroll down until you find the section for apps and tap on that. Within the apps, all you need to do is tap on the filter icon and switch it to Show System Apps at the very top and hit OK. Now what we'll do is the search button, and we will search for Bluetooth. And once we're in the Bluetooth, we can clear the cache and data for it. So go to Storage, and you might be able to see the clear cache and clear data. It might be available to clear it for you, or it might not, depending on your model and what you've used on your Bluetooth. Now, after we've done that, let's go back to the beginning of your settings here. We'll go down to the very bottom, tap on Software Update, and then download and install an update if there is one available. That a lot of times fixes the glitch. And we can also just go back out of here, tap on General Management, scroll down until we get to Reset, tap on that, and then hit on Reset Wi-Fi and Bluetooth Settings. Just tap on Reset Settings at the very bottom, and you should be good to go. The last step is potentially just turning off your phone, so pressing and holding the side button, and then turning off the Bluetooth device as well, and then just restarting both of them.